Usually the insurance company is the main source of payment, and you'll hope there's, like I said before, homeowners insurance. Getting monies from the person that owned the dog can be very difficult. The average person really doesn't have much. I repeat, they live from paycheck to paycheck, so that's a very weak source of recovery. Once in a while, you get a Rockefeller or a very wealthy person that can pay monies above the amount of insurance, or if there is no insurance, they can still liquidate some of their assets and make payment. But I will say in my many years of doing injury work, the main source of recovery is insurance. When does it get paid? If you're an infant, it usually goes into trust. The judge has to approve of the settlement, and then it goes into trust until you're in Arizona, until you're 18 years of age. And you got to be very careful sometimes when you're distributing to a young person, because I've seen, and I hate to say this, large sums of money distributed to a young person where it's either wasted or spent on expensive toys or sometimes drugs. And that's to go through such a horrible situation and spend what you might need or will need in the future has to be protected. Sometimes it's done in a structured settlement to protect the younger person, meaning that maybe there's some money paid up front when they hit 18 years of age, and then there's an annuity that pays so much in a month so that it cannot be spent too freely. Also, if a person is incapacitated, maybe they're in a coma, or maybe mentally they're not able to deal with this, then somebody will be appointed by the court to handle it, and that takes time. First, the case has to get settled, then the court has to appoint somebody, and then it has to be approved in what manner it's going to be handled, the distribution of money, that is. In some cases, which is very rare, if a person really needs money and they can't wait till they're 18, and those are rare exceptions, you can make a approach to the court to try to get some monies released for that necessity.